What I love about the Camden region is how close it is, the country feel, that you feel everyone's very close to each other, knows each other, but there's also a lot of change happening and excitement. A major challenge I faced when I first started in law is, whilst I felt I had the skill set and I was appreciated for how good of a technical lawyer I was, I felt that when opportunities came about, there was a preconception of, well, this lawyer might be taking time out to have a family or kids and might not be the right person we want to invest in. I chose the Camden region for my business was for a family decision. Camden seemed to be the right fit because that's where my husband and I, our foundations came from. We were close with family, and I felt Camden was the right fit for Coutts and myself, and I could build something quite special. Through my career, unfortunately, I have faced gender inequality. Sometimes I feel it wasn't as obvious as, a blanket, you're not going to be chosen to do something because you're female. I mean, that would be very obvious. Sometimes it was subtle decisions that were made that you knew that you weren't being considered on your credibility rather than your gender. I decided to speak to, I would always have a mentor or someone who would support me in my career and my ambitions, and I'd speak to them. I would speak up, I would be strategic in the way I approached it. And now that I own my own business, I'm much more vocal and would basically lead by example and set the bar high and expect my staff to do the same. What isn't being approached at the moment is the unconscious bias, that you need to be more conscious of why a decision's being made, what's prejudicing that decision, and we need to obviously support each other either respectfully or be quite vocal. Especially as a leader, I feel you need to lead by example and show people what's acceptable and what, the lowest threshold that should be accepted for any female or male. Back yourself, never doubt yourself, never second guess your ambitions or decisions, and go for it, because the worst thing you could do is fail.